Hello, I'm back with another video about planner, and this time is my last subscription box for Coco Daisy. This will be for March, and I say the last one because I canceled my subscription, so this is the last one. I seen a little, not know exactly what I have here. Oh, let's see. Well, it's a metal plaque that say Coco Daisy. I'm sure it's part of this, and I will be honest, it's like I wish instead of say Coco Daisy, say something nice and I can use in some planner or something, but it's not my thing to have advertising from somebody else on my planner. Anyway, so I'm canceling. Nothing wrong with this subscription. It's actually really nice, but I have to make a decision what subscription I will keep and what subscription is going, and this one has to go because after all it's just paper, and for $34 I think is a little too expensive, and I'm getting another, I'm going to have another subscription that it will be better for me, I'm enjoying, and I will share too. So let's see what we have here. We have another of these pins that I will put on my bag for Halloween. This description is Where the Breeze Begins. It's kind of cute. It's like cartoonish. It reminds me some kind of cartoon that I used to watch. I have a free sticker, time for new things. Let's take everything out of here. This is the stationery kit, by the way. And what do we have? First, these ones are like 3 pieces of stickers, only 3, yes. And this has days of the week that I will love to use on my planner. This has some kind of banners and clouds and some flowers, very cute, and some houses. Oh, this is cute. I really will love to put this on my March one. What else we have? Oh, another stickers. Keep your hand in the clouds. It's cute. The sticky notes. I love the sticky notes. Some of them are better than others. And we have this with little houses. It's a little light blue. So perfect. This will be the, it's kind of dirty. It's the oh my gosh, post. I don't know if you can see, it has a little, but it can be just from the papers and everything. Oh, they did this kind of how you call this, so you can use stamps and something. I will be honest, I like and I don't like at the same time, because you really have to be careful how you use them and don't get marks. But this has like weather for cloudy, sunny and rain, little banners, zigzags, bigger banner, a square that you can use also for this, that is like a list of things to do. And let's see here, these are really cute. This is a little dark, but it's cute. It's a clear paper and I like the colors. It's cute. I'm sure that I will find something to do. Then we have the silver one that is just with flowers, pretty cute too. And the very thin stickers that are so cute. I really like this. I can imagine what I can do in my planner with this. It will be kind of funny and cute. Yeah, very cartoonish. And here we have what is the die cuts. These die cuts are very thin, so are perfect for whatever project you have. So we have clouds, we have like mountains, a little banner, a little Mouse with a banner, some flowers, a house, very cute, another house. Oh, this one is so cute. It's flying with balloons. This is moving with his, look at this, with we have a hot balloon, some butterflies. This is like floating. A tree that can go really good with the houses. Another floating terrain. Oh, look at that. Another, a bear holding a balloon. This one on the clouds. It's really, really cute. So I'm sure that I can do something really cute with this. I am liking. So this is what I got. It's really cute. Like I say, I will kind of miss this a little, but there is a lot of things that I will not miss because I cannot use. The last month I used this, the one that I got, but it's not something that you can use all the time. It's a little hard for that. And this is something cute, but at the same time I don't know how I will use. So this is everything, and I will put together my March monthly with this, and I will share. Not yet. Just begin. Oh, look! I'm forgetting this. I always forget this. So my last washi tape. Also, and it's cute, but nothing spectacular like others that I have that were really, really nice. Okay, I'm having a hard time to take. Let's try. Okay, there it is. Just so clouds. Let me put in here. Little clouds. So that is everything, and I hope you enjoyed this video. And like I mentioned before, nothing wrong with the box. It's just me that I need to make my decision of what I will keep and what I will not on my selection for subscription. And I made my mind that now I will have only one. It's a new one, and I will share with you. I haven't opened. I arrived my first box and I haven't opened it, but I will share. And that will be everything for today. I hope you enjoy. See you in my next video. Goodbye.